What's going on, everyone? Keith with the Tulsa Moto Club, and today we're going to clean up all the welds on the SR250. Now, just cleaning up some welds wouldn't make much of a video, so there's a few other smaller tasks that we're going to knock out as well. The first thing to take care of is the center stand. Since I modified the frame and switched out the shocks for taller ones, it started to cause the center stand to rub up against the back wheel. Plus, I don't really want the center stand on the bike anyway, so we're just going to go ahead and take it off. Next, with Macy's help, we installed the new clip-on handlebars and removed the risers for the old handlebars. This is the first set of clip-ons I've ever bought and used in a build, and I have to say that I'm pretty happy with the way they look. They weren't too expensive and they work just fine. I'm really excited to see them all set up with grips and controls and everything and see how they look. So by just changing out the handlebars and modifying the seat portion of the frame, the bike's really starting to take shape. On to the next thing. When I got a new set of Allen bolts for the KZ, I also got a set for the SR250. So the plan was to install these bolts later on in the build when I was cleaning up the engine, but I figure I've got the time, so what the hell. As I assumed, I'm pretty happy with the way the bolts look in the engine. They look really nice, and when the engine's all cleaned up, it's going to look killer. Alright, finally it's time to clean up these welds. Doing this is pretty straightforward. I just used an angle grinder and a couple different flap discs. The objective here is to smooth out all the rough surfaces and get all the welds to blend evenly into the frame. Unfortunately, I started running out of light during this process, so I rushed it just a little bit. But I think I did a pretty decent job. Now there are a couple other smaller welding jobs that I need to do to the bike before I take it to get powder coated. So if I need to tidy up anything that I missed today, I'll tackle it then. The hardest part planned for the SR build was getting the seat portion of the frame modified, and now that that's done, everything should start moving along a lot more quickly. But anyway, that's it for this video. I know that's a bit of a short one, but I'm trying to be more consistent about how often I post videos, and I didn't want to leave you guys waiting like another month or something for me to upload. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on what happens next with the SR build. And if you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button if you like this video or you like what I'm trying to do with the channel. And remember, I'll post links to the Tulsa Moto Club website and all my other social media down below. And if you have any questions about anything or just want to say what's up, make sure to hit me in the comments. As always, thanks for watching. Later.